Good morning, 8th class student. Myself, S.P. Kirkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the construction of quadrilateral. We know the quadrilateral is having 10 elements, 4 side, 4 vertex and 2 diagonal. Total 10 elements are having a quadrilateral. From these 10 elements, if quadrilateral can be constructed if the measure of some specific 5 elements is given. Out of these 10, some 5 specific elements are given, then we construct the quadrilateral. We take one of the example, construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ equal to 5.5 cm, length QR equal to 5 cm, length PS equal to 4 cm, length QS equal to 6 cm and length RS equal to 7 cm. QS equal to 6 cm. Now, firstly draw the rough diagram and write down the length of each element and draw the diagonal in this construction first using the scale. The diagonal is 6 centimeter. Then take a distance in two terminals of compass, that is the 5 centimeter, and draw the one of the chop from this Q. Then take 7 centimeter and draw the second chop from this S in this way. Draw the second chop. These two chops are intersect in point R. Then take a distance 5.5 centimeter and draw the chop from this Q point. Then take a distance 4 centimeter, that is the distance PS, and draw the chop from this S. These two R's are intersect in one point, that point is P. Then join this P with Q. Then join this P with S. Then join this R with Q. Then join this S with R. In this way we complete the construction of the quadrilateral. Now see the second example. Construct quadrilateral WXYZ such that length YZ equal to 4, length ZX equal to 6 cm, length WX equal to 4.5 cm, length ZW equal to 5 cm and length YW equal to 6.5 cm. In this example, there are 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. Then firstly draw the rough diagram, put the value of each side and diagonal. Then draw the first one of the side of the quadrilateral ZW, that is the 5 centimeter. Then take a distance, that is the WY 6.5, the length of the diagonal 6.5. Then draw one of the chop Then take a distance 4 centimeter, that is the length of side 4 centimeter. Draw the one of chop from Z. Then we get here one intersecting point, that point is Y. Then take a distance 6 centimeter, which is the second diagonal. Put it at Z point and draw the one of the chop. Then take a point 4.5 centimeter distance, that is the length of one of the side of the quadrilateral, and draw the one of chop from W. Now these two chops are intersect, that point is X. Now join this X with W. Then join this Y with Z. Then join this YX. In this way we complete the construction of the quadrilateral. These diagonals are also joined by a dotted line. In this way this second construction is completed. We can take again a third. In this third example, construct quadrilateral ABCD such that length AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, length BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, measure of angle A equal to 65, measure of angle B equal to 100, and measure of angle C equal to 110. Now in this question the three angles and two included sides are given. Now firstly draw the line AB is 4.5 centimeter. In this way 4.5 centimeter. Then take a protractor on this point A, put it on point A and see the zero line of the protractor and take an angle 65 degree. See in inner side reading 0, 10, 65. Take a point, then draw the one of the ray which is started from point A. Then again put a protractor on point B in this way and take a angle. At this time we take a outer side scale, the 100 degree. Then draw the ray which is started from B. Then take a distance between two terminal of compass is 5.5, that is the length BC. 5.5 and draw the one of chop from B. We get a point C. At this point C, take a protractor at put it on the point C and see the angle 110. See, take this outer side reading 110, put here one of the point and draw the ray which started from this point C. Now this ray is intersect to the ray which is started from point A, that is ray AD, and ray CD are intersect in point D. Now in this way we complete the construction of quadrilateral ABCD. Now take a fourth example. In example 4, construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length QR equal to 5 cm, length RS equal to 6 cm, and length PS equal to 4 cm, measure of angle R equal to 60 degree and measure of angle S equal to 75 degree. Now in this example there are three sides and two included angles are given. Draw the rough diagram, then draw the line QR, one of the side of the quadrilateral QR. The length is 5 centimeter. Then put a protractor on point R and take an angle of 60 degree. Here 60 degree. Then draw the ray which started from the R. Then take a distance in to terminal of compass is 6 centimeter, that is the length of side RS. Then draw the arc from this R. We get here one point S. Now put the protractor on this point S. And take an angle of 75 degree. See 10, 20, 70, 75. Put here one of the point. Then draw the ray which started from S. Then take a distance between two terminals of the compass, that is the length of side SP 4 centimeter, and draw the one of the chop from this S. We get here point P. This point P join with Q by using the scale. In this way we complete the fourth construction of the quadrilateral. Good day. Okay, bye.